Alright guys, so I didn't know if I was going to make this video yet. I was going to wait till I got the new rear end and just make it all one video, but it may be a while. So, I'm going to go ahead and just show y'all. Oh fuck, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, I don't know why the fuck that didn't work, but I guess now they fucking updated my phone and now you can't switch the camera while you're recording, which is fucking gay. So, here are the actual axles. Oh my god, the car smells like fucking rear end fluid. God damn, it smells like shit. Okay. So, one's longer than the other. I don't know which one's which. But actually, both of them don't look bad. Both of them look pretty much the same. There's no twist or anything in them. So, that's good. Rear diff is back here. Diff looks good. All the teeth look good. There's the gear part. Everything looks good. I'm actually going to put this diff into Big Red because Big Red has an open diff. And one of the tires are like completely bald because of it. So, I'm going to go ahead and put this diff in Big Red. I think the gears are the same. So, I may just put those gears in there if those gears look bad. But I think they're both 355s. So, got the actual rear end. Got everything off that I need off. So see, you can still see through the other side, but actually, so it's straight this way. But where it's actually twisted is that way. It's twisted that way. As you can see, it's twisted that way. So, have to find a new rear end, which is friggin' impossible. Nobody's selling like a bare rear end. Kind of like this. Like, with no axles, no diff, no gears, nothing. Nobody's selling one. So I just got to keep looking until I find one. I went ahead, bought a UPR solid upper diff bushing. So I'll put that on. That'll all go together. Once I get the new rear end here, I'll take off all the suspension stuff, put it on the new rear end. I have Bomberos Motorsports or Bomberos Performance, or I don't know. Bomberos is all I know I'm as. Down in, I think they're Katy, somewhere south of me. I'm getting them to go ahead and build me the rear end just because if I did this, it'd take fucking forever. And I really don't want to do that. So, that's the update on the Mustang. Here, I'll show y'all. I kind of just took the calipers off because Bomberos said that all they needed were the actual brackets. So, I just have the calipers just kind of zip tied up in there. I may go ahead and get new rotors. I may not. I may go ahead and get new pads. I may not. It just depends if I have, the extra couple $100 to throw at that. So say this project's going to be very, very cost. I got to watch what the fuck I spend because this is the third thing that I've replaced in a year on this car. Blew up the engine. Clutch was starting to give out. It actually didn't give out, but I just went ahead and replaced it because I couldn't shift. And then the rear end broke. So hopefully this is the last fucking thing that breaks on this car while I'm in A, because this is ridiculous. I didn't realize I was going to be breaking so many parts naturally aspirated, but I am. So it happens. What are you doing, Valkyrie? So yeah, go ahead and get all that done. It's a shitty day. It's actually 2 days before, or no, TX2K is tomorrow. It starts on Wednesday. So, it's one day, the day before TX2K. I'm going to be doing videos about that. And yeah, y'all have a good one.